June 16th to June 23rd, Singapore and Malaysia visiting. According to the invitation of President Jun16, the President of Show First Enterprise Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur. We are invited at the beginning of May, saying they have a production line as our visiting to see how and to do the next step of cooperation. The advisor of our company, Dr. Paul Xu, suggests how about arrange a more normal visiting to Singapore and Malaysia. Then is contact the Nanyang Technical University and National University of Singapore, as well as University of Malaya. At last, to achieve this visiting. June 7th, we visit the morning the cyber physical system of NTU, which is a cooperation between data camp Data Electronics International and NTU is a very big research center. The product cyber physical system is the same as our company's CMS CAPP. The afternoon of 17, we visit School of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering. There are two topics of talking. One is CPS. The other is about ship technology. We have a good time talking and discussing. The most topic is around the cyber physical system. The next day, 19th of June, we visit National University of Singapore. Advanced Robotics Center. Professor William Lee talking with us. William Lee has a very good experience on colored printers design and manufacture. As well as automatic machines. We get a conclusions to do the calculations by using the platform of NUS to do the research and the automatic service of Singapore. In the morning of 19th, we visit University of Malaysia, Center of Research in Industry 4.0. Professor Dr. Narendra Kumar talking with us. This research center concentrates on image recognition, on AOI, on robots viewing system. The conveyor transfer the product. The robot seeing the position of the product and fetch the product and move to the place. Very technical handling department. Doing the main goal of Industry 4.0. We signed a memo about the corporations by using our company's cyber physical system, that is CMS CAPP, as well as the pattern recognition of the Center of Research in Industry 4.0. President Jun picked us from University of Malaysia just in time and visit their machines. On a company named EDM. The machine is doing the EDM's die. I remember 10 years ago, we delivered a die of EDM's manufacturing machines to a company at Penang from Taiwan. The machine is high speed, high precision, manufactured by 秀峰 Mechanical Company in Taichung. The KCAN systems is using my company's Chiao molding system. At that moment, I have a thinking to do automations to manufacture the die for EDM, because all the raw materials, the section is about 2 millimeters, 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters. The length about 15 centimeters. But the die depends on the can system and the can design variety in the shape. In EDM, the machines just exactly like I think my thinking a decade ago. From top view, to describe the machines, a big square cover a circle inside. The two opposite boundary of the square located two mini machines to do the working, meeting the raw material of die into shape according to a sequence of CNC program, NC program. The other two sides of square located two welding house machine, one for 1 milli machine. Inside the warehouse install locations, there are 64 raw materials locations locating 64 material with section 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter, length 15 centimeters raw materials with a holder, and on top of the holder fixed RFID The operation is as follows. The robot, according to the program, automated program of the controllers, moving to the warehouse to fetch a raw material. Before fetching the raw material, the robots use the RFID reader via RS-232 to read the code inside the RFID. Thereafter, the system knows which NC program has to be used for the milling machine to cut the die in procedure. After milling, then unloading the finished parts back to its original position of the warehouse. There are two milling machines. According to the automatic program of the controllers, is changed loading, unloading, and is changed to next milling machines, and so on. According to the technical terms speakings, the robust calibrations the warehouse to teach front points and the rear points. In between positions decided by interpolation of the controller. The robot's movings seems not a straight line, sometimes as a circle with curvature, big R's curvature. The problem is, as the robots reading RFIDs, the robots has to approach the RFID. Sometimes cannot read, sometimes cannot read accurately. The most dangerous happens is as the moving, the robot will collide with the components. Once colliding is enough. It happens twice already. So the systems crossed for a while already. They worry about the stable of the system. The bottleneck is the robots. One robot to serve 4 systems. It seems too busy, so they let the robot moving fast and fast. At last, collisions is avoidable. Since Jun is our original agents 20 years ago, the new corporations is talking about the similar production line. But not only this loading or loading system, we're still talking about the next step. After the die milling finished, we are moving to the next stage of measurements. After measurements, the NG or the pass will give reports. The pass still has to handle SY distance shiftings reports. This report will pass to next station. What is the next station? The next station is to pass the correction to EDM's NC program. A corrections GM code will be added in front of NC machines, NC program for EDM operation. These all has to be controlled by the controller of CMS CAPP. We are very glad for these corporations later on. CMS CAPP automatic program the schedule, and for one PLC with 256 input, 256 output is mature and stable already. To fetch the input or to set the input of the machine, or can help the system to do the data acquisition by means of artificial intelligence. We can do the supervisory control of the production line, which is the physical requirement of EDM using company lead it. At June 22nd, we visit Malaysia Island to listen the presentation of Datuk Michael Ong, the CEO and the founder of Malaysia Gateway. The Lenka says, the past presents the future. The Malaysia Gateway intent to fill the dust into the ocean to generate 4 islands. One island's doing something has relationship with the ship. This island is doing the maintenance, repairment of the ship. The goal is to share the ship maintenance, repairments jobs of Singapore. One of the 4 islands with a very deep port. The islands can install millions oils. previous Oman's girl, the ship of Taiwan, destroyed by the torpedo of some unknown countries, and the Japan's ship attacked as well. Michael Ong, she said, the Malaga gateways is a very important between the Far East and the Middle East for transporting the oils as a shifting location. This investment definitely can make a big fortune. The rest two islands is for economic and residence to invite Chinese mainland immigration. We are very glad to visit these two countries about the business of CPS as well as shipbuilding, and we are glad to go visiting and return back to Taiwan, Republic of China safely.